bullshit.
You are the reason I'm still hanging on. Yeah, you are the reason I'm still hanging on. Yeah, you are the reason why my head is still.
Hey, it's Faye. Good morning. Well, it's noon. Today is just a day in my life without my boyfriend because he's at work. And this is normally how it is on most of the weekdays. So as you guys can see, this morning I went to the gym and I had such an amazing workout. I tried going for a wavy look today with my hair, like a messy wavy, but it's not turning out right, so I just ignore it. And also, I was inspired by Jenny's makeup today. I've been obsessed with Lovesick Girls and I'm just like, well, I'm gonna try that cat eye. I definitely need more practice. Grab some snacks. You guys are just gonna chill with me today here in Nashville. So I'm gonna try to get some work done and edit tonight's video, so I have some last minute things to do. But oh my gosh, okay, as you guys just heard, I've been obsessed with Blackpink. Nothing's new. So yesterday I ordered a dress that Jisoo wore in the music video. I was trying to get the bralette that Lisa wore, the butterfly one, but it's out of stock. Well, small is still in stock, I think, but girl, these girlies are not gonna fit a small. I came across Rosé's outfit from Ice Cream, the green sunflower crop set, and I'm tempted to buy it, but I really want to buy this yellow one too, and I left it overnight for me to sleep on because I'm like, it's kind of expensive to buy both, but like, it's cool, you know? It's like, yo, I don't know. Let's just pick one. Rosé Yuen. Okay, let's just do it. Oh my lord. Fluffy. Last touches for the vlog. I'm like super hungry. It's 2 o'clock. I have not eaten yet today, so I'm snacking on some Doritos, my favorite kind, spicy nacho Doritos. You guys have to get this guy. I have a meeting call in like 5 minutes, and then we're gonna have some lunch. I can literally eat the whole bag. Yeah, so you're correct. But yeah, oh no, something that I do want, but it's not like a priority. Hallelujah, it's time to eat time. So I just got off a call with a guy named, what was his name? I need health insurance. Nice, fun adult things. We're going somewhere with our lives. It's time to cook, and I'm gonna have some chicken because I really gotta eat this up. I don't even know if this is good anymore, so let's just pray that I don't get sick. There's no cutting board here. I don't know what I'm having for lunch. I am just cutting up chicken. Maybe we'll use some green beans. I know I've said this like 3,000 times, but I'm so obsessed with Blackpink right now. Yeah, we're gonna dance. We're gonna learn the dance together. You know, I don't think you guys wanna miss that because it's been a while since I boogie, 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 woogie. We are Lovesick Girls. We have no food. Oh, I don't know if this is good anymore. Okay, I know that some of you guys might find this really gross using the same plate to do this, but they're all going in the same pan, so relax, Karen. Come at me when I have health insurance, okay? These tomatoes are actually super good. Why are you home? Isn't it too early for you to be home? Supposed to be a vlog of me being home without you, not with you. It's funny, you think he's home and I'm excited. I'm like, why? Oh, that's when you know. Oh my god, you're gonna be there till 10. I went to sleep with the shirt on. This is lunch. I cooked some chicken with tomatoes and I threw some tomato sauce in it just to kind of like sauce it up. I seasoned it with garlic powder, lemon pepper, and then salt. I just added a little bit of baby spinach on the side just to like have some greens with this. But it looks delicious. Mukbang. Perfect. The chicken's like perfectly tender, soft, so juicy with the tomato sauce and the tomatoes. Not dry at all, I'm surprised. See how much food you get out of one big ass chicken breast? I'm like scarfing this down. You know what? I think it's time for some cardio. We're gonna dance to Blackpink. My boyfriend is low-key sleeping upstairs. That's enough.
This is bullshit.
I should probably work. Stop fucking around. It is 5:30. My boyfriend has been sleeping for way too long. I think we should sneak up and bother him. You could suck it. You wakey? Why are you waking me up? It stinks. Wake up. Wake up.
Wake up and play.
It's time to go play. It's 7. It's 6 a.m. I gotta go work. I heard knocking earlier and I thought it was you freaking playing around. And I came upstairs and you were asleep. You wake up now?
You go Franklin for dinner?
Sure. Yay! We get to go out. We get to go out. Black pepper in my tea. Granite City Food and Brewery.
Pretty good. That's the biggest bite I've ever seen you take. Those might beat ours today. That creamy
Oh my god. You don't like coleslaw, huh?
Sometimes.
Your fries are okay.
We gotta make our margarita.
This is a good dinner, Bubba.
You like the ribs?
Yes, very much so. Whoops. I totally forgot to end the vlog. We ended up coming home and just relaxing on the couch watching Our Planet on Netflix. This is our second episode. You guys should watch it. It's kind of like Animal Planet. I'm gonna wash up and hit the hay, hit the sack, go to bed. If you guys enjoyed this mini vlog and more K-pop Blackpink dancing, then like this video and subscribe. Until next time, I'm sending love. Bye.